Okay, today is January 16th, and now I got a garage floor. I got a subfloor all framed up, waiting for a inspector today, and for the plumbing, which I've got plumbing now. We've got here's some water. Inspector's going to come out, make sure everything has been done to spec. Got waste pipes for the bathrooms, and then kitchen, all this good stuff. We finally dried out, no more underground pool. But there's you can see the waste lines down in there. I guess we've been asked for a little recap of what's gone on. First of all, you get your architectural drawings and do some civil engineering at the same time. In our case, see all your slopes and make sure they put the house in the right spot. You've got a footing down here that's a couple of foot wide, a couple of foot deep. Then the part that sits above ground is called the stem. And onto that goes on your subfloor framing. And that's where we are right now. There's construction going on in every direction. And that's my view. That's the reason I live here. We're getting along pretty good. Faster than some, slower than some others, but as long as we keep moving, get home. Can't wait.